I see four things, no matter the vertical: lowering of risk, and I know you know this, lowering of risk, lowering of cost, significant degrees of efficiency or automation improvement, and the experience both internally and externally for the customer. You touch on one of those four, you could wrap it all around the concept of brand. You're hovering over any target area for any customer today. And it is, as you say, usually a bridge from paper to digital transformation itself, and then an eye to the future as to how agentic or generative flows can actually make a real difference in predicting how we get to those outcomes that I just mentioned.
Yeah. And what's been great about Intellistack's involvement with some of our clients is each of those clients, we've identified one area that we've started to help them and sort of modernize their business. And each of those clients now has multiple areas that they've seen so much value with that first foot in the door. And now they're starting to look at where else within their workflows Intellistack can actually offer solutions. So it really shows the ability for you guys to not only scale, but the adoption has been amazing, right? Organizations can adopt these solutions and can start to see where else they really fit the cart. So that's been great. And I think this is just the beginning of a journey for us in terms of really looking at what core partnerships, we focus on, which ones we see the most value for our clients and for the organization and for the industry, I would say. And we have really identified Intellistack as one of those that we're sort of partnering with hand in hand to go to market for our clients and where our clients see us as trusted advisors.
Thank you for the partnership. I always think that the two most underspoken words in business are thank you. We forget to be grateful for all the work that you do on our behalf and our responsibility humbly to make sure that we're responsive and supportive to your clients when you need us to be, either through you or directly to them if that's what you want. So I hope that you'll find us always very fast and very supportive. And I would add one last thing from my perspective. One of our values is to wow the customer. And we talk a lot about what does wow mean? Easy to say, but what does it truly, truly mean? And it is about shifting relationships from being customers to clients. And for me, ultimately, what strategic relationships mean, and that is, no matter what our respective sizes, we would both be a little less without one another.
Absolutely.
I hope, therefore, that our partnership becomes strategic, that without each other, we would be less. And that, to me, is really what strategic partnering simply means.
Absolutely. We've appreciated the partnership. Now it's been a few years, and I feel like we're at that inflection point in our journey where we are really becoming strategic in terms of how we help service the clients that we have, where we will. And I think the biggest thing that I'm excited about is how we start to really bring true solutions to the insurance industry, which is ripe for needing some really good solutions like Intellistack. And for us to be able to provide that, I mean, it's a privilege and an honor. So thank you.
Well, thank you all, and I wish you ongoing success.